4 children belonging to Kuki community who were reportedly missing to the Churachandpur police have been found dead today. They have been identified as Lenchong Khoi Kum, 9-year-old of Lung Kolal, La Lenchung Luko Kum, 6-year-old son of Boise, Tango Ho Kum, 4-year son of Ngai Nei Chong, and Tongko Ho Kum, 6-year-old son of Ngam Gin Thang. All of them were taking shelter at Kanon Vang Relief Camp, Churachandpur. The dead bodies were found from a river. The cause of death may be drowning in the river, but the actual cause of death is still unknown.
Hey, Aduh, kena tumpul, mau kenapa ibu? Lalu juga. Tani nawan. Nawan itu lagi tadi itu bawa kawan. Oh, kawan ini. Saya lihat nak bang,